In this video, I will tell you how you can whiten your teeth at home using just 2 simple ingredients. You won't need any expensive dental procedures or whitening strips. This remedy is highly effective and very affordable. If your teeth have turned slightly yellow due to drinking tea or coffee, or simply because of aging, this remedy could be a great solution for you. After sharing this recipe, I will also talk about oil pulling, which is very beneficial for cleaning your gums and teeth. Additionally, I will discuss leaky gums and explain how bacteria from gum injuries can enter your bloodstream, leading to serious health issues. Knowing this is important because bacteria in the blood can cause life-threatening problems. If you want to make your teeth noticeably whiter, you only need 2 things. The first is baking soda, which you can get from any grocery shop for around $1 to $3. Baking soda gives texture to the paste you will make, and it effectively cleans your teeth by removing stains and plaque. The second ingredient is hydrogen peroxide, which you can find at a nearby pharmacy or online. It is crucial to get the right concentration, 3% to 6%. Do not buy the 15% or 40% formula, as it is too strong and can damage your gums. Whitening strips available in the market are expensive, and dental whitening treatments are even more costly. Dentists often use concentrated hydrogen peroxide, sometimes up to 40%, along with ultraviolet or red lights to intensify the chemical reaction. While these treatments give quick results, they can damage your gums and cause dehydration, often leading to tooth sensitivity and pain. To prepare the remedy, take a small cup and add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Then add 3 drops of hydrogen peroxide and approximately 8 drops of water. Mix the ingredients well to form a paste. This mixture breaks the bonds of the stains on your teeth. These stains are actually chains of molecules bonded together, and the oxygen in hydrogen peroxide breaks these chains, removing the pigments and whitening your teeth. After preparing the paste, take your toothbrush and gently polish the outer and inner surfaces of your teeth. Brushing with this paste not only removes stains, but also kills bacteria and reduces plaque. Brush for 1 to 2 minutes, then rinse your mouth with water. Since this mixture is much milder than what dentists use, you can apply it every alternate day or 2 to 3 times a week. Continue this for a few weeks until you get the desired results. This remedy is highly effective, and you will be surprised by the results. When you see the difference, do share your experience in the comments. It is important to perform this process gently to avoid damaging your gums or tooth enamel. This is a simple and safe method for whitening your teeth at home. Now, let's talk about oil pulling. You may have heard about it online. People usually use coconut oil for this practice by swishing it around in their mouth for a few minutes before spitting it out. This is an ancient practice, and in the past, people also used sesame oil. However, coconut oil tastes better and is not as bitter. Take a small amount of coconut oil and swish it around in your mouth for 10 to 20 minutes. Coconut oil contains lauric acid, a powerful antimicrobial that helps reduce bacteria and candida, especially those that cause bad breath. Another interesting fact is the connection between sugar and vitamin C. The chemistry of glucose, sugar, is quite similar to that of vitamin C. When you consume too much sugar, it competes with vitamin C to reach your cells. Since sugar is in excess, it often wins, preventing vitamin C from reaching your cells. This can cause problems. You may have heard of scurvy, a disease that affected sailors in the past due to a lack of vitamin C. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production, a vital protein that strengthens your skin, gums, and bones. When you lack vitamin C, your gums may start bleeding when you brush your teeth, and you might see blood on your toothbrush. Excessive sugar intake or chewing too much gum can block the absorption of vitamin C, leading to bleeding gums. This is an early warning sign. If left unchecked, your gums may weaken further, causing the tissues around them to loosen, creating tiny holes. Harmful bacteria can enter through these holes and spread into your bloodstream, posing a risk to your entire body. This highlights the importance of preventing bacteria from entering your bloodstream. I hope you find this information helpful. Take care and see you in the next video. Thank you.